We'll be able to what? We'll be able to come up with these kinds of information. So today, let us embark on this particular given question so that you can be able to understand how this question will be able to work out. So this will make exam paper which you'll be able to learn as an example when you are using this particular given case. So for you to design these kinds of table now, you need to first understand how to design this table. And when you are designing table, you need to understand types of fields that will be used in this case here. So the types of fields that you'll be able to use, we have here. When you click home, you choose view. When you click view, you choose design view here. After choosing design view, the first table here is DPL department. So just type DPL depth, like in this case, DPL depth in this particular given case. So it is good also you follow the order, the way they have written the name here. So when you say DPL depth, you can just type here like this. Then you click what? Okay. Once you click OK, you see this kind of information that will be seen on here on the screen. So for this one now, we need to understand that field name mostly is recorded in columns, then data type is recorded in rows. So in this case, for you to design this table, first you need to understand under the DPL department, they have specified this one, the field codes. So this field code, you can just copy it in. Just to copy. When you copy, you come here, then you paste. So after pasting out this field code, you will see it has been assigned text. And when you look at text here, we looked at types of data types here. We said short text, record only text that are less than what, 50 characters. Long text, more than 50 characters. Numbers, it's used to record numbers in the database. Then also we have date and time, which is to record date of a given place. Currently, those are mandatory terms, speaker. Auto number, those are numbers that are automatic. Then we have yes or no. These are true or false response that will be able to use. Only object, these are object linking investment. You can use this one to insert charts and clippers. Hyperlink is when you want to insert links. For example, if an employee has an email address, you can just use the hyperlink feature to write that particular given address here. Then we have attachment. You can also use attachment here to link different types of information here. Then you calculated all those values that you need calculating, you need to assign calculated values here. Lookup wizard mostly is used to select the drop-down list. If in case you have any values that you want to develop a drop-down list, like for example, such like case, you just click lookup wizard. So in this case, when I click lookup wizard, I'll be able to develop my list. But now, since we have this one, when you look at this one, you'll see it's street department code. The street department code is text. Just select short text here. Then we have also another field here, which is this street department name. I can just copy it. After copying, then I come and paste it here. So once I paste, the field will be seen. But now here they have said we need to assign it to be a text. So you just click short text and so on. But remember, in this data types here, we have the field size that has been customized. This field size that has been customized, we have the size, we have which is in the street department part, which is 4. Then we have also a primary key. So I'll go direct to this kind of row. I need to change the field size to 4. So for me to change, since our screen we had min-max, I'll first maximize it now. So to maximize, I'll click where we have the first field here. Then I come and click under field size. We are seeing field size here. So I just delete this one. I type here 3. It was not 3, it was 4. So when I type 4, I can also go back and check the specification. They have said we assign a primary key. So this primary key, when you look at it, a primary key is a key that prevents duplication of files on data entry. So when it prevents duplication of files, this key has already been assigned here. So you can easily remove it by clicking here, or you can easily assign by clicking at that particular key. So once you click, you'll be able to see them be assigned in this case here. So in that case, let us look at also this kind of field here, which is street department. They have said the field size to be 50. So for you to assign field size to be 50, you need to click in. After clicking in, you can change design to maximize first. Then I can change to type here 50. When I type here 50, this kind of value will be seen. So I just install like that. So after designing this step, click here. You just click view, then you can select data sheet like this. So when you click data sheet view, you can click here. Do you want to save the table? You can select yes. Like that. So the first table will be formed in this case here, which you can just right click and then you close it. After closing, you can go to table 2, which they have said table HR data. So this table HR data, you can just copy the name and you can now direct to create. Remember, when you create the first table, you use home, you select new. But for this one, you just click create, then you select table design here. You select table design, the table will be designed. So you just click add close. Just a minute. I've said for you to design a table, you just click create. Then you go to what? Table design. I confused table design and query design. So table design is here. So you just click. Then you can now customize the values. Like in this case, you have street employment ID. You just copy it. This kind of values. You copy, then you paste it here. After pasting, we have text here. Just select text, then you can assign it to P4. So for you to assign this value, you will maximize. So under text size, you can just click here. We put here to P4. Then from there, you can also restore back like this. We have also 8 hours. So after selecting that, now you can click it. Then you just paste it. So you just click paste. So in this case, they have given you to the numbers, so you change it to numbers. We have also our rate pay here. You can copy, then you click, you just want to click, you paste it here. So when you paste, you have currency. Currency now you can select it here. We have street department. You can just copy this one. After copying, now you can be able to paste this case. Then we have, they have given here a string. A string is just a text value. Normally have a string and an integer. A string and integer is totally different. So when you want to use a string, use a string for text, but if you want to use an integer, use an integer for numbers. So this string they have given you, it should have 4 characters. So just click here. After clicking, now you can be able to put it in 4 characters here. You just put 4. After putting 4, they have also said you need to assign what? A primary key. So you just click here and then assign a primary key. So then you just click here, the data sheet. Then you click here. Yes, like that. So in this case, remember our table here, we had not saved it, so we were to come and copy. You can just copy here, then you rename this table 1. When you rename this table 1, you can paste inside. So that's how you can be able to use these kinds of program here. So when you look at table 2, you can also copy. You can also copy like this. After copying, you go to create. So from create, we have table design here. So you just click, then you can be able to customize this table. So you can just copy. So after copying, we have also this short text. Then we have also this one. Just click here, paste. Then you can be able to select short text. You have street address. Copy. Then we have this on the paste. The street address they have given also to be a text. So you just copy here, you paste. But still you can type if you want to type. So this one is date and time. So just select here date and time here. We have also street department here. Just select copy. Then you can be able to copy. So when you copy, you just assign it to be a string. A string you have said is a text. By this string, you see they have said drop down list, fetching information from the DPL portal. So you go and select this one. We'll go and look for DPL. It is what? DPL department. DPL parcel data. This is not department. We have DPL data here. Yeah, it's here. Yeah. So the department may be finance. We have human resource and information. So you just click here, then you use lookup wizard. After using lookup wizard, you can be able to plot. You say open. After saying open, now you can be able to plot. To type new list. So you just click create new. So the first field is finance. You just copy it here. We have second field also. Second field, you can also copy. First, third field, copy, then you paste. But in some cases, you'll be typing words manually. That case. So once you're done, we can click create. Then you can finish. Like that. So once you're done like that, now we have also now what we call another type of table. Look at this one. When you look at this case here, so this is ETL data. So you come and copy this name. So when you go and save, yeah, database tool, you'll be provided with an option to save. So you can just save. Then you click what? So once you save, now you have that. You'll have done. So when you look at these tables, they already have designed. And yesterday we looked at how to create a relationship. For you to create a relationship, we first need to what? To maximize, then you go to database tools. When you click database tools, when you click database tools, you come and select the relationship. Then you highlight all, you click add from. You can drag one of them. So this relationship, when you look at this particular given information here, this relationship here. So you see, they have said create a relationship between the table. So immediately after designing, you need to create the relationship. And also the relationship, yesterday we said we have two types of relationship. We have one-to-one, one-to-many, and many-to-many. When you look at one-to-one, we said this one, we will drag it to this one. Forms one-to-one, one-to-one. It forms one-to-one. So for it to form one-to-one, drag it like this. You drag it to the first value, like that. So once it's there, you can click create. Now we have one-to-many. One-to-many, you just drag here, drop it like this. Now on your left side, they will be the same. Click here. Select also it. Yeah, the first one. You get a different field. On the right. So these are a field that we are trying to link it to different places. So another state development ID. It can be linked to the field here. So now once you're done, create. When you click create, when you drag this one on this side here, hold it. We have one-to-many, one-to-many. Then we have many-to-many. Drag this field. Yeah, well, many to many is where many field from one table is linked to many fields in another table. So After ID, we can choose another. We can also choose another one here. We can choose street employment ID and click here. We have street department now. Then we have another. And on this side, at the top here. Okay. Hold on. Then you click here. Yes. So this one element. One to one is the first line. One to many and is the third line. So while you are done, you can just like that. So those are the tables that you want to look at in this case here. So these tables, when you look at them, they have been still here. So that's what they are saying. Key in the following the following data into the data. So just open table what? Personal data. Okay. So type in you type this information inside the table. So just a minute. I want to send you another link so that you can be able to look at it as we continue. I'm seeing this one is all over. It's finished. So let me just share another